In this video, I'm going to talk about whether you need a website or can you survive with just social media. Okay, so it's important to have a digital presence in today's business landscape. And a digital presence means more than just one or the other. Realistically, what you want to have is a fully integrated marketing strategy that takes into account having a website, having social media, inbound marketing and sales funnels, and outbound marketing, such as email, mail outs, mailing lists, all those sorts of things. So it's critical to have more than just social media or more than just a website. Okay, so let's look a little closer at both of those. So what are the benefits of having a website? Control and ownership. If you pay to have a website built and you host it yourself, then unlike social media, you own that property. Which means if somebody decides tomorrow that Facebook's no longer the biggest thing, you don't lose all of those followers you've worked up building. You have the website, you own the website, and you own any of the content and contacts generated on that website. So control and ownership is a big point of having a website. Secondly, professionalism and credibility. I hear all the time, oh, I don't need a website, I've got plenty of business, it's all word of mouth, things like that. That's not really the case. 9 times out of 10, any purchase that's going to go through your business, people are going to research you and they want to check that you are a professional and that you are credible. And one of the quickest and easiest ways to do that is to have a website. Doesn't need to be the biggest website on the market. You can get away with a single landing page as long as it's got the information required to show that you are actually a business owner, you are actually a business, and that you are credible. So the next one is SEO opportunities. Websites are essential for search engine optimization. So if you are happy just having, Facebook and things like that, great. But realistically, if you want to cut out a massive portion of your potential market, then don't have a website. Because having a website means that you can have SEO opportunities, you can have keywords, you can get listed in Google, Bing, and all the other search engines, things that you can't do easily with Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or any of those. Sure, you can run ads on those platforms and that may generate enough traffic for you, but you're missing out on a huge slice of the market. And customization and functionality. You can customize a website, give it more functionality than what you can ever imagine doing with something like Facebook, Instagram, or other social media platforms. You can add things like e-commerce and sell products directly from your website. You can set up booking systems, contact forms. You can link it to your customer relationship manager. You can link it to your email marketing. There are so many things that you can do with a website that will make a massive difference to your business for very little investment. Okay, so now that we've looked at the benefits of having a website, let's have a look at the advantages of social media. Social media engagement and community building, fantastic. Platforms such as Facebook groups, pages, Instagram, you've got LinkedIn groups, all of those things are fantastic for building a following and to build a community. And it's a great way to reach out to your audience with short notifications, sharing blog articles and things like that you've written for your website, putting out general marketing that's going to help your business grow. It's cost effective. Generally, starting on social media will cost you next to nothing. You can set up a profile on most platforms for nothing. Sure, you're going to need a few graphics and things like that, and you can create those on platforms like Canva, so you can do that yourself and it's not any major cost. And of course, finally, social media gives you the opportunity to go viral. And what viral means is you might make a post that is so popular that everybody wants to share it and everybody wants to read it. And that can bring a lot of traffic to you, your business and your website and your social media. So going viral is another opportunity that presents itself with social media. So why are both important? As I mentioned in the introduction, it's important to have an integrated marketing strategy. So using both allows you to leverage the strengths of each. Your website acts as a central hub for your business, while social media serves as an outreach tool to engage and attract your audience and potential new clients. Diversification. Relying solely on social media can be risky due to changing algorithms and policies, where a website ensures you're not putting all your digital presence into the one platform. And data collection and lead generation. Websites allow you to collect data directly from your visitors and generate leads, something that's limited on social media platforms. Sure, you can set up, capture forms on things like Facebook and LinkedIn, but they are never as effective as what they are on a website. So it's great to have both of those. If you want to sit down and really, draw a picture of it, if you were to draw a circle in the middle of a piece of paper and write website in it, and then think of all of the other platforms that you use, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, any of those, and draw those in circles around the initial circle so that it kind of looks a little bit like a bicycle wheel. And then that's how your marketing strategy should work as an integrated marketing system. So all leads and roads and things like that should link back to your website, which is a platform that you own and that you can collect data on. Okay, so in conclusion, while social media is crucial for engagement and can significantly enhance your online presence, having a website is indispensable for full control over your brand, credibility, and the ability to optimize for search engines. And the decision isn't about choosing one over the other, but rather understanding how both can work together to achieve your business goals. So I hope that this video has helped you to better understand the difference between a website and social media, and helps you to better understand why you should have an integrated marketing strategy that incorporates both of these fantastic online presence and marketing tools. Until the next video, this is Martin signing off.